This, in fact, I love this, is the Canadian premiere of Dido, Queen of Carthage. Christopher Marlowe, he's got all of this intrigue, and he's sort of popularly called the bad boy of Elizabethan drama. He was an atheist. He was homosexual. This play, Dido, Queen of Carthage, was written while he was still a student at Cambridge, which also drew me to it in coming to direct a play in a university. It opens with a homosexual love affair between the Roman god Jupiter and his boy, Ganymede. And so when I looked at this class of students and these themes in the play, it just felt like a very welcome inclusion to mix up notions about gender and about sexuality. And I had this terrific student, Micah, who just leapt out to me as really embodying a lot of the qualities and the emotional life of Dido.
Catherine is playing Iarbas and I am playing Dido. So to have me playing a woman and her playing a man, it really just showcases the power within genders.
Dido doesn't commit suicide. Dido sacrifices herself.
Working with Peter Hinton is actually really amazing. He knows exactly what he wants.
He's just so knowledgeable about classical text and directing and acting. He just seems to know everything.
Working on the show has really helped me broaden my understanding of taking on a role, taking on a character, and it's really developing my skill set as an actor.
Being able to work with him and gain that knowledge from someone who's been in the industry for so long, I'm really excited to just keep going with this work and see where it takes me.
They're an amazing group of young actors, and it makes me feel very encouraged that there's a real future for theatre in Canada. That makes me very excited about what they will do when they enter the profession.